Hey everybody, Peter Bergman Autocraft here. Just going to talk about installing torsion bars. There seems to be some confusion as to how to clock the front adjuster when you install these things. One thing that most people don't understand is that this is the front socket. This is where the torsion bar goes. The lower control arm has nothing to do with the actual clocking of where this is the front anchor where the torsion bar gets installed. Most of the time with our popular bars that are larger than stock, due to the clocking, not because of the rate, this little finger that I refer to has the cup in it that receives the lower arm adjuster. This is merely the starting point for the suspension, which sets the ride height. It is not loading or preloading the torsion bar in any way. So what we recommend is when you are sliding the torsion bar forward, this finger is going to be sticking somewhere above horizontal. If you go too high, you're going to hit the frame rail. From there, you're going to set the lower control arm bolt, and all this does is rest on the finger in the ball cup to set the starting point, which is the ride height. So due to the clocking of the bars that we sell, which are oversized, normally